Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's Foxy and today I want to share with you how I do this office Siren makeup, and this is what it looks like without the glasses. So if you're interested, let's get into it. So today we're gonna start with the face, and I'm gonna be using Skin Trainer CC Blur from KIKO MILANO in the shade Light. This is kind of a perfecting mattifying primer. Mostly I focus application of this product to the T-zone to kind of smooth out the pores. I'm going in with Too Faced Ethereal Light Concealer in the shade Sugar. I really love this concealer. I really love concealers that are not drying. Now I want to add some contour, some shape to my face, and I'm gonna be using She Glam Soft Tan Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. And this is my contour placement for today. I'm blending it out with Define Buffer brush, blending everything upwards, and I want to keep my freckles visible today. It means no foundation required, because I want to make this tutorial as real as it really is for me, and I don't really use foundation in real life, only for some occasions like on a date, on some celebration like on holiday. So on my nose I'm gonna blend the contour using the brush from Zoeva. It's 146 brush. It's called Concealer Perfector. Just dabbing it. Now let's add some blush. I'm gonna be using Blursh blush from Made by Mitchell in the shade A Shy Boy. It's super pigmented, so I'm just adding a little bit, and I blend it with the same buffer brush. I want to add a little bit more concealer under my eyes. Now I want to add NYX 604 Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil to the inner corner of my eyes, tip of my nose, on the bridge. I love white inner corner, so now I'm gonna be using For You Page Filter Powder from Wonderskin. It's transparent powder, so it just set everything in place and blurs everything out. Really love this powder. It's one of my favorites now, if not even favorite one. My forehead, we'll see, maybe we'll add a little bit more in the end, but for now that's it. Now I'm gonna be using some contour from Kaleidos. It's Trio Contour Palette in the shade Light. I want to mix these two shades. Now I want to add this shade, the coolest one, to my nose. Basically, I love to use eyeshadow blending brush for this purpose. It applies everything so smooth. Let's add a little bit of this shade to my under eye. And now let's add some powder blush. I'm gonna be using Kaleidos blush. This is such a beautiful burgundy dark red shade. I gently apply it with a brush, and then I just blend it with the opposite side of the same brush. So basically with a clean side. As a highlighter, I'm gonna be using Benefit Cookie today. I am really convinced that you will probably be able to see this highlighter from the Mars, because God, it's beautiful. A bit under my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using MAC Eyebrow Styler in shade Strut. Nothing too dramatic, just filling in what needs to be filled. So let's move to the eyes. I am going to use Wonderskin 1440 Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Kalamata. I put it all over my waterline and a tiny bit to the outer corner, like a little dot. I love to do this trick, so basically you don't even need any brush for it. Just pull it with your nail. Now I want to add Wonder Skin, if you know, you know, eyeshadow stick. I have it in a shade Ash. My outer corner. Again, no brush needed. The only brush we need is the finger. Now I'm going in with the same stick but in a shade Champagne. Such a beautiful shade because it has a tiny sparkle to it, so basically it's almost see-through champagne color with a beautiful sparkle. So since we're done with the cream eyeshadows and eyeliner, let's move to the powder eyeshadows, and I'm gonna be using Revolution Eye Lift palette. I'm gonna use this shade. This is pretty pigmented. I'm gonna take this eyeliner here. I add it to the bottom of my already existing eyeliner, just to the bottom, to this corner. And now I'm adding the black one from the same palette. With this kind of move, I just created like an gradient eyeliner, like ombre eyeliner, from black to brown. Now I'm gonna be adding this shade to my bottom lid. In the black eyeliner, I'm gonna be adding this shade. And we're done with the eyeshadows. Now let's curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna be using TWEEZERMAN Promaster curler. And immediately, without curling the second eye, I'm going in with Essence Call Me Queen mascara. I already showed you this trick in my previous videos, but I will repeat it again because it's such a gorgeous life hack. Just curl eyelashes on one eye, apply mascara, and then curl the eyelashes on the second eye. It makes your lashes hold the curl better. Don't mind the mess on my eyelid because we will wipe it off when it's dry. Now let's repeat the same on the left eye. And eyelashes are done. As you can see, I don't have any mess anymore in my eyelids. I just wiped it off, and let's move to the lips. Wonder Skin not just created my favorite powder, they also created my favorite lip tint. I'm gonna be using their Wonder Blading Lip Mask. It's tinting mask in a shade Charming. So I just applied it like a normal liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna wait for like 60 seconds, for like 1 minute, till it dries a bit, and I'll wipe it off and we will see the reveal of the color. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like your lips but better. Now I'm gonna add Wonder Skin 360 contour liner in a shade Blush, and it looks super natural. Especially in combination with this tint, it really does look like your lips but better. And this liner is not too dry, it's not too creamy. It's just a perfect balance between dry and creamy. And let's add some hydration to my lips. I'm gonna be using Wonder Skin Lip Rehab Therapy Oil in a shade Clear. It smells like some caramel cookie. And just look how beautiful my lips look right now. I mean, I really love how this makeup turned out today. And I cannot stop smelling my lips because this lip oil, oh my god, this fragrance is amazing. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of Wonder Skin powder. And we're done. Let's reveal my bangs. Oh my god. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think of today's look, because I really love it. And let's finish this look with the glasses, because it's, you know, office Siren makeup and it requires glasses, okay? It requires glasses. So thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful one as always, and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy. Bye bye.